task we were given was essentially to get a buggy from A to B, and there were like several obstacles in the way. Sort of most challenging one was these lumps, so our sort of like ridges, and we had to sort of design a suspension system that could cope with this and keep the buggy in a straight line and also get it to stop within the exact distance.
For me, the most challenging part of the project was making sure all the pieces that we made were nice and precise, the sizes were right, the holes were in the right places, because we had to connect all the pieces. All the holes had to be in exactly the right place, and if the holes were out by 1 millimetre or 2 millimetres, it made the alignment of the holes very difficult and made it hard to assemble.
I think the most enjoyable part of the project was actually seeing the finished design once we put it together. Although that was a challenging part as well, it's such a sense of achievement when you see your final design all put together. It's also nice to get out of lectures and stuff and be able to take the things that you've been taught in lectures and put them into practice in real life and get a chance to develop skills in the manufacturing side.
We've got team 3 to start.
Yeah. Ours was like something slick. It came off the track.
Well, I think the best thing about this project is that it kind of incorporates a lot of the skills we've been learning. So we used, you've obviously got the manufacturing side of it, but then you've got the electronics with all the wiring systems. You've got a bit of mechatronics with the actuators and setting up the motors and calibrating them. And then of course you've got vibration and control to analyse the suspension systems before you even design them. So I liked how it brought all the skills together like a real world problem. Well, I think this will be really useful in the future because obviously in industry you're working in larger multidisciplinary teams that all have different skills, and I think this project's really helped to develop the teamwork aspect of things, and how to work as a team, how to assign tasks, how to give your input without being too domineering.
I think this project will help me in my career in that it's given me an understanding of how the design and manufacturing process works. In industry, obviously the design and manufacturing process is a huge thing. So it gives me a good understanding of how projects go from the initial concept into the final design through things like a poster display, through things like conveying it to other people and telling other people about your design, to producing the final design. So I've got a better understanding of how the overall process works.
3, 2, 1, go! Yes, that's a zone 1 finish, just over 12 seconds.